Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. I'd like to thank Congresswoman Ross for offering this amendment. Was proud to co-lead it with her. And I'd also like to commend you, Mr. Chairman, and the ranking member for bringing this excellent bill forward. Quantum computing is going to be a revolutionary game changer in many areas of industry and also in government. But quantum computers are much more than just computers that run faster than traditional computers. And it's often not obvious to industry or particularly to federal agencies how quantum computing can be integrated into their workflows and how it can be used to improve their missions. So that's why this amendment is so important. It requires the National Science Technology Council Subcommittee on Quantum Information Science to establish a program of outreach to federal agencies to help them identify the use cases that quantum can help to solve. Meaningfully, this does not provide any more funding. It's not an expansion of any government mandate. The federal agencies involved would be responsible for acting themselves on the recommendations of the council. But I think it's very important to point out those cases, those use cases, and point out the ways that quantum computing can be used to advance the missions of these federal agencies. So I'm proud to support the amendment. Thank you, Congresswoman Ross, for bringing it forward, and I urge its adoption. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman. A very important part of this bill is the grant program that's established to support the development of quantum test beds. This amendment makes some small but very important changes to the eligibility criteria for that grant program. First of all, it sets a maximum of 5 awardees under the program. That's important because if we have too many awardees, there's not going to be enough money in the program to actually support the development of any test bed. So this setting a maximum of 5 would guarantee that at least $10 million was available to each awardee, so that's important. Also, the amendment enacts the prioritization of applications that include a substantial cost sharing. I think that that's just basic good governance, make sure that people have some skin in the game and bring their own resources to the table. That's consistent with other grant programs that we've established. The amendment also sets a maximum of 1 year to get that grant program up and operating. I think that's important because we want to make sure that this gets done quickly. So these are common sense amendments. I'd like to thank my co-lead on this, Congresswoman Stevens, for her partnership, and respectfully urge the adoption of our amendment.